Hello, I am Korean Sunny teacher Kosem. I made this video to help you learn Hangul or Korean alphabet. I hope it will be your Korean guide video. Today, we will study 10 basic Korean vowels. Hangul consists of 10 basic vowels and 11 compound vowels. You can just watch it. I'm sure you can read them. And when the vowels is used alone, they are written with O sound, like this. A, ya, a, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, yu, e. From now on, look at my mouth and follow me to say the vowels aloud. A, ya, ya, o, yo, yo, o, yo, yo, u, 유, 유, 으, 으, 이, 이. Okay, did you listen to and follow along them? I think it's the first time for you. You feel so difficult, but if you repeat several times, you can read 10 Korean vowels. Now let's talk quickly together. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, 유, 이. Okay, let's speak after me one more time. Okay, if English phonetic signs are different to my pronunciation, please focus on my Korean pronunciation. Okay, a, ya, ya, o, 여, 여, 오, 요, 요, 우, 유, 유, 으, 이, 이. Okay. It feels easier than the first time, right? Okay. Now let's speak them together faster. Do you understand the Korean vowels a little now? A, ya, o, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이. Okay. Okay, you got it. Good job. Now let's talk about words that contains basic vowels. Okay, this time let me tell you words that has a vowel sound. Speak the words out loud. Okay. 아기, 아기. 아버지, 아버지. 야구, 야구. 야자나무, 야자나무. 어머니, 어머니. Baby is 아기, 아기. 어깨, 어깨. 여자, 여자. This opposite is 남자. 여우, 여우. 오징어, 오징어. 오리, 오리. 요리사, 요리사. 요트, 요트. 우유, 우유. 우산, 우산. 유리, 유리. 유모차, 유모차. 으뜸, 으뜸. 으뜸 means best, 최고, 최고. 은행. There are not many words that start with in Korean. It's a final consonant, 니은 받침. I added 은행, 은행. 이름, 이름. 오이, 오이. You don't need to memorize them right now. At first, it might be difficult to pronounce Hangul naturally, but after some practice, it'll get easier. Let's speak them together much faster. 아, 야, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이. Okay, now I'm going to write letters. Prepare your notes and write along while pausing slowly. 이젠 제가 글씨를 써볼게요. 여러분도 노트를 준비하고 천천히 일시정지하면서 따라 써보세요. Hangul is written top to bottom, left to right. Let's prepare a pen and write letters with me. Like this. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 하나, 둘, 하나, 둘, 셋. 하나, 둘. Okay, this time, let's write with this. Okay, are you ready? It's probably the first time, so it's a bit difficult, but you'll get used to it soon. Okay, I added O sound. The first O sound has no sound. Okay, it is used alone. You usually added O sound. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. Okay, now let's talk quickly together one last time. 아, 야, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이. Okay. Okay, last, let's read one more time. 아기, 아버지.
아기, 아버지, 야구, 야자나무, 어머니, 어깨, 여자, 여우, 오징어, 오리, 오징어, 오리, 요리사, 요트, 요리사, 요트, 우유, 우산, 우유, 우산, 유리, 유모차, 유리, 유모차, 으뜸, 은행, 으뜸, 은행, 이름, 오이, 이름, 오이. I hope today's video will be of great help to all of you who are studying Korean for the first time. Even if you are not familiar to the Korean language, I hope you will be brave to learn it. 여러분도 한국어에 익숙하지 않아도 용감하게 도전해 보았으면 좋겠습니다. In the next video, we'll learn 11 Korean double vowels. Thank you so much for today. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.